Welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to enter edit mode in Township. In Township, you can easily customize your town and make it look just the way you want, so let's get started. First of all, open up the Township application on your mobile device and make sure that you're inside this page. Once you're inside, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal lines. This will bring up 3 little pop-ups on the screen where you need to tap on the edit button right in the middle of the option. You will then end up in the edit mode. You will notice that your town's element will become movable. Simply go ahead and select an element and move it to your desired location. You can also select any decoration objects and place it on your desired location, and then once you are done, tap on the tick mark. You can also go ahead and rotate your elements. Simply select the building or anything on the screen and tap on the little rotate icon in order to rotate your element on the screen. Tap the tick mark when done so that the change takes effect. You can also choose an object you want to sell from your town. Select one of the objects you want to sell and then tap on the dollar icon and click on the sell button at the bottom in order to sell the chosen item. That way you will be able to edit your town on Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.